How to download Paycom application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Paycom application on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store on your Android, and once you're inside here, just search in, click on search, and under the search section, just search in for Paycom application. And as you can see, just ignore the sponsored application and you can see its logo, and for your confirmation it has 5 million plus downloads. So once you're inside here, you can simply click on the application itself and just install from here. So once you click on install, you have to wait for some time for it to download and install on your device depending upon your internet connection. So once it successfully gets downloaded, you can simply open the application just like this and accept any rule, and just like that you can log in with your username as well as password. So that is how you can easily download your Paycom application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.